Alphabet, Ant to Zipper, A to Z by Gerwin Jensen. A is for ant, ant. B is for ball, ball. C is for car, car. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for flower, flower. G is for goat, goat. H is for house, house. I is for internet, internet. J is for jam, jam. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lemon, lemon. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for noodles, noodles. O is for orange, orange. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for robot, robot. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zipper, zipper. So many letters and sounds to learn. Let's have fun together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. For a music song that goes along with this book, please go to the card up the top here and have a listen to Crystal the Songbird singing. So many letters and sounds to hear, to learn. Thanks for listening. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more educational resources. Like the video, share them around, and have a great day. Bless you.